So in the previous lecture we already covered fundamental principle of counting and also done some question which is based on digit. In this lecture we are going to solve some more question which is based on digits. And start first question. Using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, find the 5-digit number in which RNA means repetition not allowed. We start. In this case, first place is restricted because in this case we don't put 0 in the first place, because if we put 0 in first place then it comes out 4-digit number, and in the given question we find 5-digit number. That's why this box is restricted, and in the first box we don't put 0. Okay, then we have when we have then we have 8 numbers and we have to find 5-digit numbers. So in first box we fill 7 numbers because 0 is excluded. For this box 0 is 0 यहाँ पर रहेगा. Then we also fill 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, because repetition is not allowed. Then we multiplied these 7, 7, 6, 5 into 4, and it comes out 49 into 120. This comes out 5880. This is our answer. And then in second part we have to find 5-digit numbers which is repetition allowed, in which repetition allowed. In this case we have to find 5-digit numbers, make 5 boxes. In this case also first box is restricted because we can't fill 0 in first box, because if you fill 0 in first box then it not makes 5-digit number. Okay, so in this case 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, because repetition allowed. In this case we have to fill 7 numbers, and in this case 0 is present here also, then repetition allowed, and to multiply to 8, 7 into 8 का power over. This is our answer. Okay, let's try some more question. The previous lecture we already done some question which are based on it, and we are doing some question just like that, but in the previous question question the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and that's all, but 0 is not given in that question, but here 0 is given. So at least one of the digit must be repeated. So we have formula, we know RA minus RNA. In the previous lecture we already study about that formula. Then 7 into 4 minus 5880. This is our answer. Okay, let's try some more question. Using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8, find 5-digit numbers greater than 30,000 in which RNA means repetition is not allowed. So 5 boxes, 4, 5. In this case we have to find 5-digit numbers but greater than 30,000. Okay, then the given number, if the number is greater than 30,000 and 3 must be included अगर इधर यहाँ से 3 के इधर जाए तो नंबर ग्रेटर देन होगा ही होगा, इसके इधर चले जाए तो रूल को फॉलो नहीं करेगा। मीन्स इफ़ यू आर गोइंग इन दिस एरिया वी हैव टू गोइंग इन द रूल वाइज। ओके, तो अगर हम इस तरीके जाते हैं तो इसे ग्रेटर देन होगा। तो फर्स्ट प्लेस पे कितना तरीके से 1 2 3 4 5 वेयर मीन इन दिस ऑल्सो केस फर्स्ट बॉक्स इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड because we know that, and if any box is restricted we are going to fill that box which is box is restricted, and in this case first box is restricted, then we fill first box first. 1 2 3 4 5 5, and here total number is 2 4 6 7 7 number, so one number is used in which repetition is not allowed. Here 6 5 4 3, multiply 5 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, this comes out 25 into 72 1800 answer. Next question, 5 digit numbers less than 60,000 in which RNA introduction in all doubt, like 5 boxes less than 60,000. We have given number 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 लेस दैन 60,000, तो लेस दैन 67 आप उनके पास सही नंबर है। अभी if we are going to put 6 then the number is not less than 60,000, it is going to greater than 60,000, that's why we put this value 4। टोटल नंबर की वैल्यू 2 4 6 7, तो एक नंबर यूज हो चुका है 6 5 4 3, to multiply 4 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 24, तो 20 60 0 4 4 1, this is our answer. Let's try some more question. 5 digit numbers which are even in which RNA, 5 digit नंबर बनाना है जो कि इवन हो और उसमें रिपीटिशन अलाउड ना हो, उन्हीं नंबर को यूज करके। 5 मेक 5 बॉक्सेस, द नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 6 7 and 8 even. In this case last box is restricted because if any number is even और कोई नंबर इवन है तो उसका लास्ट जो डिजिट होगा वो इवन होना चाहिए, तभी वो इवन होगा। तो इसमें लास्ट बॉक्स रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है और हम लोग जानते हैं लास्ट बॉक्स को पहले भरते हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू फिल दैट बॉक्स विच बॉक्स इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, सो लास्ट बॉक्स इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, देन वी आर गोइंग टू फिल लास्ट बॉक्स फर्स्ट, देन 1 2 3 4, we can clearly see that in the given number we have 4 even numbers 2 2 4 6 8 4, then we are going to fill the simple manner, one digit is used, then we have 6 digit 6 5 4 3 4, multiply 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 4 16 90 0 4 4 1, this is our answer. 5 digit numbers which are odds, number 1 2 3 4 6 7 8, make 5 boxes. Okay, here also last box restricted because we have to find odd digit numbers, and in the given numbers odd digit numbers is 1 3 and 7. 3. I'm going to fill this in a simple manner. 5 6 5 4 and 3, and multiply 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 3. It's come out 30 into 36. It's come out 1080. Answer. This is important question. 5 digit numbers greater than 30,000 and even. In this case, we are not solving in that man that for example we are solving in the previous question like in a very simple way, but in this question we are make max case. Then case 1, if 10k place is filled with odd number. Okay, then make 5 box. 10k place means this box, this ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10k place this box, first box. If the first box 10k place filled with odd number, we have number 1 2 3 4 6 7 and 8. 10k place is filled with odd number. We have odd number 1 3 and 7 3. In this case repetition is not allowed. 3 5 4 3 3. Multiply 5 4 3 3. Count out. This comes out. Oh sorry, we are going to mistake. Sorry. We have to find 5 digit numbers greater than 30,000 and even. Greater than 30,000. Sorry, greater than 30,000 भी होना चाहिए ना, मैंने वो ध्यान नहीं दिया. greater than 30,000 means यहाँ से यहाँ तक में greater than 30,000 होगा, तो इसे हमको भरना है 10 के प्लेस ऑड. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक में ऑड कौन है? 3 है और 7 है. 2 5 4 3 3. और यहाँ पे लास्ट में इवन भी चाहिए, तो लास्ट वी नो इफ एनी नंबर इज गोइंग इवन the last number is also even. The last number 1 2 3 4 number even. 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 4 out 480. And in second case number second, if 10k place is filled with even number 1 2 3 4 5, and we have number 1 2 3 4 6 7 and 8. 10k plus even means this place is 10k. 1 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this place is filled with even. So we have to find greater than 30,000 and even. So greater than 30,000 यहाँ से 3 4 6 7 and 8. Even 1 and 2 numbers are even. 2 5 4 3, and in all the case 1 2 3 4, but one even number is used in the first place. So here 4 is even comes out, but we fill in the last date 3 even number. 3. 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 3 40 into 9 360. Add case 1 and case 2. Case 1 plus case 2. So 480 plus 360. Oh sorry, 4 3 and 3 sorry. The 3 even number 4 6 and 8 3. The answer comes 540. Here also 540. The total answer 2 0 1. This is our answer.